Hey, what's up, Bepro Network Holder? So today video is going to be very special and urgent for all Bepro Network Holder. Exactly, my friend, very urgent for all of you because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrencies you can see on all crypto markets, especially very badly fails down in this time. So this time the Bepro is also one of them, my friends. They fails down completely. So therefore, a lot of holders tell me to we are starting selling, but definitely if you are start selling, then this is very big mistake. What's the reason, my friends? To I tell you to this is big mistake if you starting selling. The reason is that, my friend, to every cryptocurrencies is very badly fails down and those days. So let's see, my friends, to upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down. But before I start this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click out the red button, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Okay, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the last 7 days chart I already opened it and here is the change occurred. 29.24% they going up like a rocket. But definitely, my friend, you can see here after this point, you can see here after this point, you can see here they fails down. They take a small jump, but they fails down completely. So every coin is fails down after a jump, my friend. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. You can see here this time also this process is continuously go on. You can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So if they moving like this, absolutely they go in the moon completely. They go in the moon. So the good time is coming soon. Before holder, kindly hold it, don't sell it. I hope they give you a very good profit. They make you millionaire. So thank you so much, guys. Allah Hafiz. Take care.